The update for the Samsung Galaxy S20, Galaxy S20 Plus, and Galaxy S20 Ultra is initially rolling out in the Netherlands and Germany. Highlights: Samsung Galaxy S20 series update is said to be around 250 MB in size. The software update reportedly brings an updated camera app. Samsung Galaxy S20 series is yet to receive a said update in India. Samsung Galaxy S20, Galaxy S20 Plus, and Galaxy S20 Ultra have started receiving a new software update, according to reports. The latest update comes along with a changelog that highlights camera improvements. It notably comes as the fourth in a series of updates after the Galaxy S20 models received 3 improvement-focused updates in the last 1 month. The new Galaxy S20 series update is reportedly debuting in a few European markets initially. However, it is likely to be available in other regions in the coming days. According to a report by SamMobile, the latest software update for the Samsung Galaxy S20 58444 series brings a firmware version G98X5B2J1 to Netherlands. However, the same update brings a firmware version G98X5B2J3 to Germany. The changelog detailing the update doesn't provide any particular information, as per the report. However, it is said to highlight the existence of some camera improvements. It is important to note that Samsung had released a previous camera update for the Galaxy S20 series earlier this month, which followed the September security update. The Galaxy S20 series also received the October Android security patch just a couple of weeks back. Thank you for watching.
Audio Jungle.